Hello, welcome. Back today. Discussion by welding L-iron. L-iron versus L-iron. Wrought iron, with its lower carbon content, is generally easier to weld than cast iron. For wrought iron, you can use similar techniques as welding steel.
Stick welding. This is a versatile and popular choice for cast iron welding using special electrodes. Oxyacetylene welding. This method uses a torch with separate oxygen and acetylene tanks to create a hot flame for welding. Special filler rods are used with cast iron in oxyacetylene welding. Overall, welding cast iron requires more specific techniques and materials than welding wrought iron or steel. If you're new to welding, it's best to consult a professional welder or refer to resources like welding manuals or online tutorials before attempting to weld cast iron yourself.